everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the Zhiyun Smooth 5S smartphone gimbal for review. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S is a 3-axis smartphone gimbal aimed squarely at prosumer-level mobile content creators. While in-camera video stabilization has come a long way in recent years for video makers looking for creative camera control as well as cinema smooth footage, nothing quite compares to a dedicated mechanical gimbal. Smooth 5S makes cinematic filming with your smartphone possible. The industry standard 3-axis design allows movements in all angles to be amazingly smooth, even in extreme angles. Take advantage of the full control panel paired with the Z-Cami app and Filmic Pro app to film all you want, all you do and all you love. Smooth 5S offers incredible anti-shake footage while preserving the original definition's quality, allowing you to make full use of movement and present the best charm of cinema without cumbersome burdens. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S upgraded with a powerful built-in fill light in addition to the 2 modular magnetic ones, providing an integrated yet simplified filmmaking experience for everyone. With the simplest devices, you can create inspiring content on your own. The professional 3-axis design brings you more possibilities with greater vision. The wider space between each axis facilitates extreme angle shootings, allowing you to make cinematic footage without limit. Another excellent feature is the fact it can handle big cell phone with lenses attached, like anamorphic lenses, even with filters. This opens even more possibilities when it comes to creating good quality footage. The magnetic steel motors with upgraded algorithm filmy power up phones with large size. The wider phone clamp supports external lens option for your next level creation. A USB Type-C charging cable is included to utilize the PD fast charge functions for a quick 2-hour charge, and it can also be charged while shooting using a separately available power bank. When the fill light is set at the highest brightness level, the runtime of the gimbal is 4 hours and 5 hours. When the fill light is off and the gimbal is under standstill state, the runtime is 25 hours. The Smooth 5S provide a new built-in tilt light with 5000K color temperature, 90 plus CPI and 2 watt rated power. You can attach the optional magnetic fill light for 316 like this, so easy, all around lighting on both sides of the new phone clamp for outstanding lighting backed by the 5000K color temperature. You can also change the colors using light filters. We have yellow, red and blue. One distinct feature that's continued from the Zhiyun Smooth 4 is the control wheel at the side, which allows you to zoom or pull focus. To use the focus zoom control wheel, your smartphone needs to be running the Z-Cami app. Just turn the wheel to adjust. I like the feel of this control wheel, feels solid and makes getting smooth focus pulls very easy. To switch between focus and zoom, there is a button inside the wheel. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S with 3-axis stabilization, balanced tilt pan and roll, while also offering various control to pan and move through multiple camera options. The Smooth 5 has all the modes we use it to in a gimbal. There's pan, fall mode, locked mode, follow mode, POV mode and vertical mode. These are all accessed via the mode button on the handle or within the Z-Cami app. Having a mode button on the handle makes it very easy to change modes. This also means you can use your native camera app on the phone and still change modes. Overall, Zhiyun Smooth 5S has a solid build, produces incredibly smooth video footage, features a whole suite of well-positioned physical controls, and the built-in mode switching function is a real standout. I was blessed with the Zhiyun Smooth 5 gimbal's performance and powerful shooting editing software. This gimbal is simple to set up and use, yet sophisticated enough to do very high-level video shooting from your smartphone. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S gimbal is a great tool to take your mobile filmmaking to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see video like this. And if you have any question, please let me know down at the comments. Bye!